all are very well. So, as we know that we have completed first term syllabus, right? And now we have started the second term syllabus. So in English, our first chapter of second term is the introduction of vowel and consonant. So now, today I will tell you about vowels and consonant. Do you know, children, how many letters in English alphabet? Correct, 26 letters. So shall we revise the letters? In this blackboard, I have written capital as well as small alphabet. So now let's revise it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are capital as well as small letters are there, right? In these 26 letters, we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. How many vowels are there? 5 vowels. What are these vowels? Let's see. So in these 26 letters, the first vowel A, this one A, and second one is E, third one is I, fourth is O, fifth is U. A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels, and rest of all the alphabets in which we didn't circle, these are known as consonants. जिन पे हमने सर्कल नहीं बनाया है वो क्या है? These are consonants. Okay? Let's revise the consonant also. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So in 26, 5 letters are vowels and 21 letters are consonants. So children, now we'll find out some vowels in another words. Okay? So children, how many vowels I told you? 5 vowels. How many vowels? 5 vowels. And what are these vowels? A for an apple. E for an egg. I for an ice cream. O for an owl. U for an umbrella. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. So can we do one activity? Here is a flower, and in this flower so many letters are there. Okay, but what we have to do? We have to find out vowels A, E, I, O, U in these so many letters. Okay children, so shall we start? A is a vowel? Yes, A is a vowel. A is a vowel. So we have to make a circle on A. Okay? D is a vowel? No. D is consonant. P is a vowel? P is also consonant. I is a vowel? Yes. I for an ice cream. So I is a vowel. So again we have to make a circle on I. C is a vowel? No. C is consonant. O is a vowel? Yes. O is a vowel. O for an owl. So we have to make a circle on O. S is a vowel? No. R is a vowel? Absolutely not. W is a vowel? No. T is a vowel? No. M is a vowel? No. K is a vowel? No. L is a vowel? No. E is a vowel? Yes. E is a vowel. E for an egg. So we have to make a circle on E. F is a vowel? No. G is a vowel? No. T is a vowel? Yes, T is also not vowel. V is a vowel? No. Z is a vowel? No. U is a vowel? Yes. U is a vowel. U for an umbrella. So we have to make a circle on U. Y is a vowel? No. So how many vowels we have in this circle? A, E, I, O, U. Okay children, so shall we revise again? How many alphabets are vowels? 5 alphabets. And what are these? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. What are these? These are vowels. So can we do another activity? Okay. Here are some pictures and I have written the spellings also. And I know you all of you are very familiar with these pictures. आप सबको ये pictures अच्छे से पता है, right? So now, tell me one. First one is, what is this? Yes, this is cat. And what is the spelling of cat? C-A-T, cat. So can you find out in these 3 letters, where is the vowel? So first, you have to read each letter carefully. Okay? C, A, T, cat. Where is the vowel is? Correct. Here is A. So A is a vowel. So we have to make a circle on A. Now what is this? This is net. N-E-T, net. So now you have to read each letter carefully. N, E, T. And in these 3 letters, where is vowel? Yes, in middle one. E. E for an egg, no? And E. So E is a vowel. Okay. Now third one. What is this? This is P for pot. What is the spelling of pot? P-O-T, pot. And in these 3 letters, where is the vowel? Of course. P is vowel? No. O is vowel? Yes. O is vowel. So we have to make a circle on O. T is a vowel? No. Now another picture. What is this? All of you know this is igloo. So now what is the spelling of igloo is? I-G-L-O-O, igloo. So each letter you have to read carefully. I is a vowel? Yes. So we have to make a circle on I. G is a vowel? No. L is a vowel? No. O is a vowel? Yes. O is a vowel. So we have to make a circle on both O. Right? Now what is this? This is S for sun. So now S, right? S is vowel? No. U is vowel? Yes. U is vowel. So we have to make a circle on U. N is vowel? No. So now here we have find out the vowels in so many words and we may circle it. I hope आप सबको बहुत मजा आया होगा. Okay children, so please do practice and in another class we'll just use 2-letter words and 3-letter words of vowel A and E. Okay children, so keep practicing.